In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off live captions in iPhone. Alright, so I'm starting right here on my iPhone, and the first thing I'm doing is opening up the Settings app. I tap on that gear icon, give it a moment to load, and once I'm inside, I'm looking through the list of options on the screen. From here, I scroll down until I see Accessibility, and once I find it, I tap on it to go inside. Now I'm in the accessibility menu, and I continue scrolling down through the list until I spot live captions. When I see it, I tap on live captions, and that takes me straight into the section where this feature is managed. Alright, now that I'm here on the live captions screen, I can see the toggle labeled live captions. This is what I'm looking for, so I tap the switch to turn live captions on or off depending on what I want. The change applies immediately, so there's nothing else I need to confirm or save. I pause here for a moment just to make sure the toggle stayed in the position I selected. Everything updates automatically, so I can stay here or back out whenever I'm ready. After that, I start backing out through the menu step by step, heading back toward the main screens. And that's really the entire process. Anytime you want to revisit it, just open Settings, go into Accessibility, tap Live Captions, and toggle it again. And that's all there is to it. You've now seen how to turn live captions on or off on your iPhone, and once you've gone through it once, it becomes quick and easy to return and adjust whenever you need.